my beautiful people, how are you? Today I'm going to try out again the viral TikTok eyeshadow blending makeup hack because I've been intrigued, you guys. I don't know, I really want to make it work. So this is what we're going to do in today's video. I have to get ready, so I said, you know what, let me just film that again with you guys to see if it works or not, or maybe I'm the one doesn't know how to do it. So if you guys are ready, I'm ready. Let's just jump into it. By the way, if you guys haven't watched my previous video where I'm trying this viral TikTok eyeshadow blending makeup hack, you need to go watch it now, okay? Let me bring you closer. So as you can see, I haven't done my face makeup because I don't want to get any fallout on my face, and also I don't want the tape to remove my my concealer, foundation, and all that stuff. And you guys, today I'm going to use this Lottie London eyeshadow palette. This is not as highly pigmented as the eyeshadow I used in my previous video, so let's put this to the test again. Because bitch, I really want to make this work. I'm also going to use the Louise eyeshadow base. And again, if you haven't watched that video, go watch it now and then come back and watch this video as well. Oh no, first is the tape. I'm sorry. No. So, Smita, I think Smita, she said it's best to leave a little bit of space on your under eye as well. What? Oh, by the way, I also want to use a black eyeshadow. So since we do not have any black eyeshadow, I think I'm going to try the black eyeshadow from the Tati palette. Wow, looks extra pigmented, but it's the only shade I'm using from this eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to take the exact same brush I used in that video. Let me pick a little bit of this black. I said a little bit, I'm sorry. Let me tap. Ooh. And I'm going to go again on a, I don't even know, 45 degrees maybe. She pigmented. She no joke. She's not kidding. She's not here to play. I honestly love the Tati Beauty eyeshadow palette. The quality is freaking amazing. Anyway, so I'm going to take another brush and I'm going to go with this neutral cool tone brown. Next, I'm going to pick this one right here. It's a little bit lighter. And again, I'm following the same angle. I don't know why I said it's a little bit lighter. And with another brush, my nose is itchy. I think I have some cat hair in there. I think I'm going to go with this one next. And this will be my last shade. Of course, I'm going to go with some shimmer, but after I blend these four, let me pick a little bit more of this one. Here goes nothing. Again. You see, again, the black looks patchy. So I'm slowly moving forward with the lighter shades, and as we can see, the Lottie London eyeshadows, they kind of blend nicely into one another, but the black, I think, is because it's like too pigmented, and I know there isn't such thing as a too pigmented eyeshadow palette, but look at the black, like, she's staying there. She's intense. Anyway, I think I'm going to clean a little bit. Like, so far I don't like how this looks. I'm going to clean a little bit my brush and blend this part as well. Don't get me wrong, this was super easy, and as we can see, the Lottie London eyeshadows, they blended kind of nice into one another, as I said, but again, the pigmentation is not really there. You need to go back and build the shades, and I don't know what's going on with the black. Like you see, that's what I'm trying to prove here, is the fact that you need to go back and build the shades. Does it make sense? I really hope so. The trick is not bad, like the hack is there. It's helpful. My point is that you need to put more effort into it, okay? It's not just like blending the shades and that's it. That's what I'm trying to prove here. And I know I'm not the best. I mean, I'm not good at explaining things, but I really hope you understand what I'm trying to say here. And yes, if I wouldn't went with the black, I think it would look okay, but not crazy pigmented, like a soft smoky eye. That's what this is, a soft smoky eye, but because I went with the black, it doesn't want to. Let's do the other way. Why? Let's do the other eye. I'm not going to go with the black on this eye to see how things go. Okay, so I'm starting with this shade right here. They kind of look the same. And last I'm going to go with this one, and obviously now I'm going to have only 3 eyeshadows on this eye. It's okay. So I'm cleaning my brush. I'm using the same brush. Sorry. Should I blend some more? I feel like the more I blend, the more I'm losing the pigment. I mean, we can totally see they kind of blended nice without the black, but I can still see the line right here. Do you guys see it? Oh, you guys, I really hope you understand what the heck I'm trying to explain here. Like, honestly, I don't like this. I would go back and build the shades. This is like extra beginner eyeshadow look, and don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with that. I've been there, and all I say is practice makes perfect, okay? But I don't like this. Like, you need to put more effort into it. It's not just like blending the 3 shades and boom, you're done. I mean, if you like how this looks, do you? I'm going to go with a little bit of black because honestly I want to make them look at least similar. So I'm picking the black, and let's see if now wants to blend with the other shades. I don't think so. Okay, I kind of see it. This could be another hack. Like, go with the lighter shades first, and if you want to apply a darker one at the end to blend it on top of the eyeshadows, because it goes a little bit more easy and it doesn't look patchy. So that could be another hack, but as I said, you need to put more effort into it. Honestly, I do kind of like it how it looks right now, but I would go back and pick more of those Lottie London shades. And by the way, I do recommend this eyeshadow palette. I did a first impressions on it and I was impressed. I think this is like very beginner friendly eyeshadow formula, so if you guys haven't tried any Lottie London formula eyeshadow, you need to. I'm going to fix my other eye and apply some sparkle in my inner corner, and that's it. This is what I wanted to try with you guys on camera again, because I just kept thinking about it. I kept thinking about it and I said, why doesn't it work for me? What did I do wrong? Like, I was thinking about it yesterday and then I saw someone leaving a comment saying that this hack works for more like neutral, soft, smoky eyes. And you're completely right, but I'm not about that look, if that makes any sense. Love me a soft, smoky eye, but not patchy. No, patchy, we don't want patchy, okay? Let's see how sharp this is. Biatch. This looks so... I'm not gonna remove this one because I said I'm going to go back and fix it, but oh my goodness, love me some tape hack. Obviously you can use concealer and go and clean that line, but because it looks that sharp, I don't need to do that. Alrighty, so I fixed this eye as well. I tried my best, okay? Then I went with these two pigments right in my inner corner and that's it. Let's see how sharp this one is. Wow, she's sharp. But I don't know, they kind of look similar, right? I wanted to show you guys that I did have a little bit of fallout, so I recommend you to do this hack before doing your face makeup because you'll get fallout. Or if you have those patches that grabs the fallout, yay, I guess. But I don't know, I honestly prefer to do my eyeshadows first and then do my face makeup. I'm telling you, I can even talk.
1 hour later.
Alright, beautiful people, so this is the finished look. I wanted to show you guys how it looks without the lashes on. I already did this part, but I think my camera wasn't recording. Yay for me. By the way, I'm losing the natural daylight. I have my studio lights on. I'm so sorry for that. But I wanted to show you guys how it looks without the lashes. I'm still going to apply some lashes. I honestly like this purple glitter sparkle. I think that brings this to the next level because it was looking a little bit basic, if you ask me. Anyway, don't get me wrong, this blending hack is not completely bad, but my point is that you need to put more effort into it, at least to make it look blended. Like, you will achieve a very soft, smoky eye by following this technique, but if you want a little bit more pigment, a little bit more intensity, you need to go back and build them. You have to be careful what eyeshadow formula you're using, because as you saw in my previous video, like a very pigmented eyeshadow formula, it doesn't work for this hack. It will look patchy, okay? So as you saw on this eye, I used the black from Tati Beauty eyeshadow palette, and that black stayed patchy, but the other shades I used, they blended nice. By the way, I don't think this is a beginner friendly eyeshadow blending hack because it takes some time. It takes some time to blend all the eyeshadows, and as you saw, they will look patchy, so again you need to go back and build them and blend some more. And yeah, I guess that's what I wanted to prove in today's video, because I know I was right this whole time, okay? I was right. Like, I know how eyeshadow works, and I know it's like impossible to be this easy. Like, you apply these shades and then you blend them a little bit and that's it. No, it's not that easy. Don't get fooled. So yeah, I'm glad that we tried this blending hack again, because I wanted to prove that I was right this whole time, okay? I'm sorry, I don't want to look like a bitch, but bitch, I was right. Okay, let me do a close-up before I apply my lashes. So on my bottom lash line, I applied a little bit of that black and this shade right here. That's all I have there. I honestly like how this looks, but you saw me, I put more effort into it. And yeah, I guess that's it. This is the video, you guys. Alright, you beautiful people, so this is the final look. I just want to know, what do you think? What do you think? Also, let me know if you guys tried this hack, because I don't know. It's not for me, okay? It's not for me. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you guys in my next one.